Here's what he didn't learn in college: you can survive without a credit card. Imagine everyone swiping for group dinners and late-night boba. But no card, no clue, no credit history. But here's the thing, credit isn't just about cards. It's about responsibility, paying your bills on time, payment history. The number one factor is your credit score. You should automate your bills so you never miss a due date. When you get a card, don't max it. Keep your spending under control and make a habit to check your report regularly and report any errors. If you are starting with low or no credit, there is a building tool such as Self, which has toolkit of options that can help you build credit history and learn the basics. No credit check to start. Here are the 5 tools that matter. Watch again and write them down.